Perfect. This is a fun little party hack next time you have people over. Perfect thing for summertime. Okay, hang on to that. We're going to need that later.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah. Okay, next we're going to need that mixer there.
Okay, this guy?
Yeah. Right in your drill. No problem.
Wow, look at that.
And, yeah, if you can hang on to it.
Wow.
And all we're looking to do is just kind of liquefy the inside. Really mix it up too. Don't skip on this step.
Yeah.
We just want to keep it cold.
Is that enough?
That's
Should I
probably
put some more?
maybe a few more. It's
Okay.
pretty warm
Oh,
out.
that's good.
Okay.
Oh,
Yep.
lots of juice in there.
So now why don't we add our vodka?
How much vodka?
We're gonna go for 1 cup.
All right, so we're gonna do 1 cup of Tito's.
Do you like Tito's?
So you just pour it right in there.
Yep. And I'll give it a mix. Okay. 1/2 cup of triple sec.
Okay. Half a cup.
Perfect.
There you go. That smells good. It's like orangey.
Yeah, it's gonna be very citrusy.
How much wine do you add? Don't we add some white wine?
We're gonna add the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yep. 1 bottle of white wine.
This is gonna be good.
It's gonna be so good.
It's a perfect summer drink.
This will stay cold for a long time. All these ingredients were chilled beforehand. And the watermelon's gonna insulate it, plus all that ice we added.
Okay, we got some blueberries here.
Perfect. Why don't we add a couple handfuls of those?
Okay. So we just put our fruit right in there.
Yep.
Okay.
And yeah, those strawberries sound great. Oh yeah. And this is something you could hold off on the ice till the day of. You could make this the night before,
Oh,
and you
good
could let all this
idea.
fruit just really soak for a while.
Oh, yeah.
And I think we add some lime too, no?
Yes, we do.
All right.
The
Good.
rind and everything can go right in.
Okay.
I love lime. Oh yeah.
The smells.
I know you can already smell it.
Amazing.
I can't wait to try this.
It's so good.
It's like smell-o-vision.
Yep.
Oh, we
quick
got this.
quick mix. Yep. And some of our agave simple syrup.
How much of that do you put in?
Oh, you just kind of eyeball that. A little
Ooh,
squeeze
yeah,
will do.
Make it sweet. Nice
Yep.
and sweet.
See that?
You know, why don't we put a little bit more ice in there too? It's a warm day. Just a few more pieces of ice here, just to keep it nice and
Oh yeah, you can
cold.
feel it. It's
Yeah.
cold.
Oh, wow.
And we're right to the top too. We got just enough room.
Oh, perfect.
Yep.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Now to keep all the bugs out of there, let's go ahead and put the lid back on. I told you we'd need this again. So we're just gonna put a couple toothpicks in there, just to help hold it in place.
Oh, this is a good hack.
What the heck?
And I'll just kind of hold
Oh
that in
yeah,
place.
that's a good idea. And then you can just lift it off.
Yep. If you want,
Easy.
you can always add more to this too. You can set some aside and keep filling it
Oh,
up.
that's a good idea. Okay, when do we get to try it? When do we get to try it?
Well, we need a little bit of garnish here. Last but not least,
Oh yeah.
got to keep this real festive. So we got a couple holes that we had drilled here.
Oh, that's what the holes are for.
This will
And in case you want to try to tackle this with a friend,
Ooh, I like that idea.
couple
very cool.
straws.
look at all those things.
All right, let's light this
Yeah,
guy
let's
up.
light it up. There you go.
Woo! Ooh, I like the colors.
Wow.
Look at this.
All right, let's see what we got here. Wow.
Woo!
Crazy.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. That's a nice glass.
Woo! Let's add our frozen watermelon ice cubes.
Ooh, look at that. That's awesome.
Another little hack. Ah, that's awesome.
That is so cool. Look at that.
Perfect drink for summer.
And I got my drink
Cheers.
right here. Cheers.
Nice.